Hello viewers, welcome to my channel AHP Education. Today my topic is types of animals. Wild animals, reptiles, pet animals, insects, domestic animals, fish and birds. Let me tell you in details. Wild animals. The animals that live in forest are called wild animals. They search for their food and shelter on their own. Birds. Birds are animals that have feathers. They fly with the help of their wings. Birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals with scary skin. Almost all reptiles lay eggs. They breathe in air. Fish. Fish are animals that live in the water and have gills instead of long scale and fins on their body. Domestic animals. The animals that are helpful to us and we keep them on a farm are called domestic animals. We provide them food and shelter and in return they work for us useful things. Insects. Insects are small animals. They have 6 or more legs. Most insects have wings to fly, but there are many insects which cannot fly. Pet animals. The animals that live with us in our home are called pet animals. People care for pet animals by providing food and shelter. Thanks for watching.